Okay, so I have this Vic 20, Commodore Vic 20, great home computer. So great that I wanted to make a video on it, but when I went to make a video on it, I picked it up to bring it out to the loft where I usually film videos, and it didn't, well, bad stuff happened. It randomly leaked mysterious brown liquid out of the corner, out of the lower left corner, of the bottom. So we're going to open it up and figure out what it is. And yes, we are in a different scenery today. We're in a garage. So, yeah, now I'm going to take it apart. So, I actually already have the screws undone for this, so I can just open it up. Now, what I've noticed inside is it doesn't seem really that there's much mysterious black liquid on the board. But what there is right about here on the RF shield, you can probably hear my finger was sticking to that, and it's sticky there. So, I think it leaked in through the keyboard, because I saw a couple drops of the mysterious black liquid a couple days earlier on top of it, just wiped it off, didn't think anything had happened. So, let's disconnect the keyboard cable, power light, and get to work disassembling the keyboard. Disconnect the, come on, that power light, love that sound. Disconnect the keyboard cable. Come on, get that out. Get it out. Oh, it's so stuck. There we go. Get that undone. And bam. Now we just got the computer part. We're going to set aside right here. And then we're going to grab the keyboard part, put it on my lap, and then we're going to film me taking it apart. I'm going to grab a screwdriver, and I'm just going to start disassembling this thing. That screw I just took out felt a little bit sticky. And this one's nearing the side of the keyboard. I'm feeling it's a bit sticky and like stuck in the screw hole. Just a little bit. So yeah, that might be a sign of things to come. Hope it isn't all in the keyboard and stuff, because I don't have a soldering iron. I can't desolder the shift lock key to get access to the entire keyboard motherboard, or circuit board. Okay. Oh, there's still more screws that I didn't notice. Whoops. Oh yeah, now I can feel it coming out. Okay, I'm gonna put that there, and now we have this, which I am immediately noticing that some of these screw holes are disgusting. They look awful, and it's horrible. Look at that. Some of these are like black. What on earth happened? Black, and they're wet. That's gross. Hope that isn't mold or something, although it probably is. So, I am going to, the power light has to stay in there. But otherwise, I'm just going to put this to the side for now. I'm not concerned with cleaning it right now. I've cleaned it in the past. I'll clean it again sometime. But now I'm going to look at the front of this keyboard. Yep, on that side there's something real gross and sticky right there. Not really sure what's going on, but that's disgusting. It's gross and kind of wet feeling. Doesn't seem to be on the please though. But I think this might be fine. Let me just put this aside. I think it's safe enough to power up the bare Vic 20 motherboard. Try to test it. So let's do that quickly. I'm gonna power up this CRT. Then I'm gonna connect video. Is it this port? Yes, it is. Ha ha ha! I guessed which port it was correctly on the first try. I never do. Okay. Then we're gonna get power. And then we're gonna be careful. Put this power cord in. Okay, it's in. Now, oh, I need to put this on channel 4. Whoops. There, channel 4 and. Oh, thank goodness for that. Oh, it works. Don't have a keyboard connected, but the Vic 20 is fine. It works. It's all good. Let me power this off and unplug the power supply. Oh, don't do that, Dominic. You'll kill yourself. I just almost executed myself by touching those prongs. I didn't touch the prongs, but almost did. So I'm gonna grab this keyboard. I'm gonna hook up the keyboard cable right there. I'm gonna try typing on this. I'll just put the keyboard right there. Oh, it's blocked on the keyboard cable port. Hold on, I need to put this in. Cool. Okay, now I'm gonna try powering it up. Oh yeah, I unplugged it. Plug it in. Power it up. Okay, it seems to still be good. Now I'm going to type out a little basic program. 10 print. I don't know. A print. What's not space? Quote. A quote. 20. Go. No, go to 10. Run. We have a working Vic 20, ladies and gentlemen. Keyboard seems to work too. Cool. So basically it's just dirty. That's very good news to me, because I would be so frustrated if this thing suddenly stopped working. Let me see if the picture on the TV will look better without this light on. Does it? No. We're still having a weird black bar this year. Oh, if I put it like that, it clears up, but then it's too bright. Eh. But still. I got my Vic 20 color computer working. Look at that. Oh no! Don't step on the case. Oh, thank goodness it didn't break. Yeah, I got that working. So, cool, it works. That's good news. But, okay, I need to plug this. But, I still need to clean it. So, this will be part 1. I'll make them upload part 2 eventually, where we'll take apart the keyboard, give it all a good clean, and yeah, just it'll be good. Okay, I'll see you eventually.